Brandon Sarter with Kirk Bros, superintendent for the Heath wastewater project. Customers, City of Heath. Project's going to be around $12.5 million, and it's going to be close to 2 years total. The crane itself will be here for probably around 5 months. Currently we're building 2 clarifiers and a RAS structure in between. The main thing the crane is doing is setting formwork and pouring concrete. Typically a pour would be anywhere from 30 yards to 300 yards. We tend to use the crane for all the pours.
I've operated a number of cranes ranging from your small cranes to your tower cranes. And operating this link belt, I've taken a liking to how quiet it is, how smooth it is. I like the controls and the joysticks that are on my right side. It gives me the advantage to be able to boom up and boom down with my right hand. So that enables me to give more attention to where I'm placing the load at for my workers that are underneath my hook, as well as I like the way the seat is set up to where I'm able to be comfortable while I'm operating. Given the fact that I am 6'1", 250, it's pretty spacious in there. It gives me that space to where when I'm not doing anything on my downtime, I can kick back. This crane is capable of taking care of all the tasks that we're faced with. If I need to track forward because something is out of my radius, I can track forward to where I'm not putting a lot of strain on the crane, going out of my capacity. Or if I need to track back because something is too close to me, I can track back and this crane is doing the job. I actually thought that because the boom length was longer than expected, that it was going to pose a task, but being here, operating at this site, it's perfect for this setup.